Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick, and on this channel we make Asian food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple tikka masala sauce. Okay, now this is dead easy because we already have our curry paste. Okay, so we're going to use our homemade curry paste, and there'll be a link up there somewhere for you to click on, or there'll be a description in the description box with all the ingredients that's in this paste. So let's crack on and make a masala sauce, a red masala sauce, which we'll use in tikka masala. Okay, firstly then guys, we want a good chef spoon of our curry paste. Now obviously that spoon's not going in there, so let's get a good chef spoon of our paste. Moves a bit more. Okay, there's a chef spoon of our paste. Right, what we want to add now guys, we want to add some Tandoori Masala. Okay, now it doesn't matter what brand you use. Okay, I'm going to use this brand today. We want about 3 tablespoons of Tandoori Masala. Oh, that was only a little bit. The box must be empty. Okay guys, and then we want to put some sourness in our bowl. Okay, so I'm going to use about half a tablespoon of lime powder, but you could use lime juice. And then we want to put in some mint sauce, so we want a good tablespoon of mint sauce. So there we go, a good tablespoon of mint sauce. Now a tikka masala is not too spicy, okay, so what we want to do, we want to add about 1 tablespoon of degi mir. Now degi mir is Kashmiri chilies and paprika. Right guys, we want to be adding about 1/4 of a chef spoon of garlic and ginger. To this sauce we're going to add a good tablespoon of tomato puree. Get that in there. Scrape out the bowl actually. Might as well have it all in. Okay, so what we want to be adding as well, now this is controversial, but I'm going to add a tablespoon of ketchup to this. A good tablespoon of ketchup. There you are, and in it goes. Now the thing is with ketchup guys, obviously it's tomato, it's got a bit of redness in there, but you know, it's got sweetness, it's also got the vinegar in there. You know, it's absolutely perfect in this tikka masala sauce. Don't be fooled. So there we are, we got that in there. Now guys, the tikka masala is slightly sweet, so to this I'm going to add a tablespoon of ordinary sugar, ordinary granulated sugar. Now it's not going to add too much sweetness to that, but it is going to put some sweet in there because obviously a tikka masala is sweet. And then what we need to do, we need to add some yogurt. So we want to be adding about, to this because we're making a sauce, we want to add about 500 milliliters of yogurt. So about that much. Okay, now tikka masalas are normally a red color. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we're going to add some red color. Now if you don't add the red color, you will have a tikka masala sauce which is a brown color. Okay, but that's not the traditional color that we're all used to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some red color to this, but this is like a pink dark red, which I prefer for my sauce. Okay, there's many variations of different colored sauces throughout the country, all over the place, but this is the color I like for my tikka masala sauce. So what we'll do, we'll add probably somewhere in the region of about half a teaspoon. We'll give it a mix in, and then we might have to have some more. So let's just mix up our sauce nice and steady. So that is our tikka masala sauce. Absolutely gorgeous in colour. But what does it taste like? Well, let's taste it. It wants a little bit more yogurt. That is really, really nice. So stick some more yogurt in there. But we get that in there. Give it a good mix up. See, it doesn't really matter how much yogurt you put in there actually, guys. You know, the more you put in, it's just going to add to the creaminess of your tikka masala. Okay, give it a taste test. That is absolutely spot on. That, guys, okay, you've got that sour kick through there from the lime powder and the mint sauce. You've got that bit of a heat in there from the degi myrrh, the Kashmiri chilies and the red paprika. You know, you can taste that. It's not overly sweet. In fact, you could probably do with more sugar, but I'm not a sugary type person. The yogurt that's in there is absolutely spot on. Okay, and you've got that underlying flavor coming through with our curry paste and the Tandoori Masala. It's absolutely excellent. That is absolutely delicious, guys. We just need to store that in a container and we can make a tikka masala tomorrow. So that is our red masala sauce made. And that, guys, is fantastic. That really is fantastic. So let's tip this in here. Tip it this way around so you can see it on film. Except I can't see what I'm doing actually. So get that in there. Now, guys, don't forget our curry paste, you know, has got everything in it. It's got methi, coriander, cumin, paprika, fennel, garlic, ginger, a whole list of things which you'll find in the description box. So we do not have to add it all to our sauce. This is a very quick way of making a masala paste because we've already got this paste. Okay, and this is sort of like replicating what you would do in a BIR, because in a backyard you would use tikka paste, balti paste, Kashmiri paste, bit of colour, yogurt, whatever, okay? You would do all that. Chuck in some garden mint sauce. And this particular brand is absolutely fantastic. We've used it for years. Using the 2-litre cartons, which you can't buy out here in Thailand, but you can buy in the UK. Now, that is a fantastic brand of mint sauce which is used in nearly all BIRs. Don't be fooled, it is. Okay, our tikka masala sauce is ready. We're going to stick it in the fridge and we'll make tikka masala tomorrow when we cook our tikka in my homemade tandoor. So that's it, guys. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, click the notification bell, all that kind of stuff. And we'll catch you next time when we make chicken tikka masala.